In this video, I want to show you how to turn on and off your Vizio TV if you do not have any remote control, probably because you have lost it. Very easy. So each Vizio TV comes with a hidden button under them. Let me put this television in this position so you understand better. So if we take a closer look, I don't know if you can see, but my TV has a button right over here on the left side. Maybe your button will be located in the middle or on the right side. Again, it really depends on which model you have. This is a 32-inch. The button is on the left side. So once you have located that button, let me put back the TV so you see what's happening there. You're gonna press once on it, but very quickly. Do not keep it pressed. Just give it a small tap. All right, so let's do it. A small tap. This menu will appear on the left side, and usually if you do not click again, it will turn it off, okay? Because that was the first option. To turn it back on, simply press again on that small button, wait a few seconds, and it will turn on again. Now, I just want to show you what else you can do with the small button quickly. So if you press quickly on it, you see, and press again after this menu appears, you're gonna shuffle through all the different inputs. So you have power off, Vizio home, this is the home screen, HDMI 1, 2, antenna. So you can change the inputs simply by clicking it like this. Once you have selected one, simply remove your finger and it will select it. Okay, after a few seconds, here we go. It has selected the input I have chose there. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.